What's up guys, Joseph Godwin right here. I'm super excited to bring you this brand new video. So in today's video we're just gonna be diving straight into the business, which is how to plot the big boys, the big market movers level. So the big market movers levels is known as psychological level, which is pretty simple. So what is psychological level? Psychological level are a roundup number that bank, hedge funds, they pay close attentions to. Like they are basically random number like 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So in this video I'm just gonna be explaining everything, like how to plot it, the psychology behind it, and how to use it and everything. So without further ado, take a chill pill. I'll be right back. Let's get down into the video. So welcome back guys. Now this is my chart. Like my trading view chart. This is where I make my analysis and I'll execute on my Metro Trader 5. So what I mean by psychology level are these green, this line, these horizontal lines that are on my chart. These are what I mean by psychological level. Now, without confusing you guys, let me just go to a plain chart so that you can understand what you mean by psychological level and how to plot it and how to use it and everything you need to know about psychological level. Now let's go to a new chart, which is GBP USD. Let me go to the one represented by maybe Rwanda. Yeah. Or let's go to a clean chart, a new chart entirely. Let me type it again. GBP USD. So let's go to a clean chart. So this is a clean chart now. For you to plot psychological level, you have to come to this line here. Then this horizontal line, you press it and you go to the current market price. The current market price is 1.309938. So what is psychological level is just that, you know, if I want to sell a car, maybe I want to sell a car for 1 million, you can't bargain the price to maybe 999,000, or maybe, let me see, if I want to sell something for 100 naira, you can't bargain it to 99 naira. No, you can just say, okay, how about 90 naira, how about 85 naira, how about 80 naira, how about 95 naira, do you accept? So that is basically what psychological level means. So for you to be able to plot this psychological level, just come to your horizontal area here. You just come to the current market price. The current market price now is 1.30991. So the nearest one here now is 1.30500. Look at it here. 1.3050. This is psychological level. Let's make another example. And from this first psychological level to the next psychological level is 50 pips. For you to know whether you are right or not, it's 50 pips far apart. Now let's go to the next one. Now the next one here is, it should be 1 point. After 5, that is 10. It should be 1.3010. 1.3010, sorry, not 30. Exactly. This is psychological level. These are psychological level. Now let's go down to this point now. See the number here now, you can just change it to 1.3000. This is the psychological level now. So look at this, look at what I was trying to say. When price get to this psychological level, it makes some hesitation and some price action, it reverse. So when price gets here, it just makes some hesitation and it also reverse. Now let's plot another psychological level for you to assimilate it very easily. Now the next one here is 1.3500, 1.31500, sorry, 1.31500. That's the next psychological level. You can basically see it by yourself. Let me just plot as many as I can. Maybe when you watch this over and over again, you'll be able to the concept of psychological levels. So look at this number here now. We have 1.29500 after 95, then to reach 3000. After 3000, 305, 30 after 305, 310, 315, and 320. So with that said, look at this price now. When price get to this 1.2500, it makes some hesitation. When price get here, it makes some hesitation, then continue to the upside. When price get to 1.300, it makes some hesitation and it went up. When price it comes back to test the point again and makes some hesitation and it went up. So this is basically how to plot psychological level. This is how to plot psychological level, and it works on all currency pairs, maybe gold, euro, USD, and other currency pairs. Now let me plot this last one for easy assimilation. The last one here should be 1.2900. This is it, psychological level. Look at what I was saying. When price come to this point, it makes some hesitation and it continues to the upside. So backtest this over and over and again, and you see that it works perfectly on all currency pair, maybe gold, euro, USD, Nasdaq, and other currency pair. It works perfectly on all currency pair. So that's that for that one. Now let's go to maybe another forex pair, which is euro USD, for easy assimilation, for easy understanding. Euro USD. Let's go to a clean chart. Let's go to this capital.com. Now, like what I said earlier, for you to quickly know the psychology level here, you come to the current market price, which is what 1.1300. So for you to basically plot the psychological level now, you just come, carry your pick your horizontal line, then you mark it and change it to the nearest number, which is 1.3500. So this is psychological level now. Then the next one here is 1.3400. 1.3400. Sorry, 1.400. Sorry guys. 1.400, because after 40 is after 35 is 40. So this is psychological level, and if you want to plot it downward side now, that is after 1.3, after 35, that is 30. So that is 1.300. Did you understand the concept? So let's plot one more. 1.325. So as you can see, look at when price get to this point, it makes some hesitation and went up. When it goes to this price, when price got to this 1.3500, it makes some hesitation and come back to this 1.2500 and went back again. Come back to this 1.3500 and went back again. So that is basically how to plot psychological level. Watch this video over and over again. You can merge it together with your price action, your understanding of price action, like the Fibonacci 2, the trend line 2, and also maybe the support and resistance. We basically call this a support and resistance. Did you understand, guys? So watch this video over and over again, and it works perfectly with all currency pair, like as I said earlier. Take your time, watch this video over and over again. Put it on your chart. Maybe if you are trading gold, XAUSD, Euro JPY, USD card, apply this basic concept on your chart and you will see yourself being profitable by applying proper risk management too. No strategy is holy grail, but what is holy grail and paramount, like what is more important, is your risk management, your understanding of risk management. Like that is basically much the explanation on how to plot psychological level. So if you like this type of content, smash the like button, subscribe so that YouTube comment, and so that YouTube algorithm will recommend it to many people to learn how to this same concept on your daily trading routine. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Peace out. See you on the next one.